So hello guys, we have this hardware. It is called USB ASP and it is used to burn AVR microcontrollers. The problem is that we are unable to install its window driver in Windows 10 and Windows 8 operating systems. So now I am going to tell you that how to install USB ASP drivers for Windows 10 and Windows 8 OS systems. It can be a laptop, it can be a desktop. So this is the photo of a USB ASP hardware, and when you connect it in a Windows 10 or a Windows 10 PC or a laptop, you will get such kind of error that digital signature information for this USB ASP driver is not certified by Windows. So you will not be able to install its drivers on Windows 10 and Windows 8. So to install the proper drivers for USB ASP in Windows 10 and Windows 8, you have to disable the driver signature error option. Okay. So for this, I'm going to run this Windows 10, and in this Windows 10, at first you will not be able to install your USB ASP driver. You have to disable the driver signatures checking system of Windows 10 and Windows 8. For this, you have to restart your Windows 10. From here you can restart your Windows 10, but when you when you want to click your restart button, you have to select shift also from your keyboard. So press shift from your keyboard, click on this power button and click on restart. So when I'm clicking this restart button, the shift key from my keyboard is being pressed. Okay, so if shift key is pressed, the PC will not be restarted. The Windows 10 or Windows 8 will not be restarted. You will get this menu option: continue, troubleshoot, or turn off your PC. You don't have to click on turn off, you don't have to click on continue, you have to click on troubleshoot your PC. And there will be two options again: reset this PC or advanced option. So you have to click on advanced option. Again you get few options of Windows 10 or Windows 8, out of which you have to click startup settings. There is system restore, there's image recovery, there is startup repair, there is command prompt, there's startup settings, and go back to previous build. So it is here, startup setting. You have to click on startup settings. So now it will give you option that now the window, now after this option the window will be restarted. When you click this reset, there is no other setting, you have to click on reset button. But when the window will your window 10 or window 8 will restart, it will ask for different options to enable or disable. So 1 2 3 4 5, this fifth option, that is driver disable driver signature enforcement, we have to focus on this option. So whatever key this window asks to press on keyboard, we'll press that, and after that our Windows driver signature enforcement option will be disabled. So when it is disabled, we can easily install our USB ASP drivers. So I'm clicking on restart. My Windows 10 or Windows 8 is being restarted. When the Windows 10 and Windows 8 is being restarted, in my case it is Windows 10, it says press key number 7 to disable driver signature. So there are functional key. On third line it is use number key or function key F1 to F9 for a particular option. So I can press numeric 7 or F7 from the function key to disable driver signature enforcement. It's seventh number. So I will press F7. Okay, I am going to press F7. Even I can press 7. So F7, I have pressed F7 from my keyboard, and now the window 10 is being restarted. When this window will reboot, my driver signature will be disabled. So now by the normal procedure, that is my window USB ASP drivers, if I try now, it will be installed properly. So after disabling this window 10 driver signatures, if I try to install my USB ASP driver and I provide the right driver, I will provide the right drivers in description of this video also. So when you select the right drivers, it will say install this driver software anywhere. This screen will be visible, and after that you will not be getting this option, that is driver signature is enforced. You will get this option that USB ASP drivers are installed correctly. At this stage, your USB ASP is ready. You can burn your AVRs, and everything is working fine. Thank you guys. Thank you for the watching this video.